Hey guys, Ken out in the garage. It's been a little while since my last video. Foot's healing up pretty good. I was actually even able to ride my bike a few times, but that's not why I'm here. Today, I have a bit of a project scale creep going on where I need to do a few projects in order to do the ones that I want to do. And my first one is that I have to improve my camera mount situation. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. I have an old Hero 3 GoPro, which I don't really use on the river anymore because all the batteries are crap. So I think I might modify this case to take constant power, and then I can shoot time-lapse and stuff with this. But really, this is the setup that I'm trying to improve. Have a couple projects you can see. Some stuff around. But this is not ideal. I have this super cheap phone mount thing on a super cheap tripod. And in Ken fashion, I don't want to buy a new one, so I'm just going to make something that works. And I don't like having to pull this spring out to put this in and clamp it, so I'm just going to make this little cradle out of some thin plywood and a T-nut that will screw into the little 1/4-20 knob that screws into the bottom cameras and stuff. So I had to redraw it again. I had the fence on, the fence was loose and it messed up the other piece, so we're gonna try it freehand and see what we can do. Much better. Should be able to slide right in there. So we'll glue this up and we'll get our T-nut and he'll go in there. So while that glue is drying, I'm going to work on modifying the case for this. They make a windowed back, and I had it for the years I was using this, and it moved around with my camera case and everything, and I never had a reason for it. And now that I need sound, or might want sound, of course I can't find it. So I'm going to modify this case, and then I'll find that window. But for now, I need to make an opening for the power cable, and then I think I'm also going to drill a hole on either side where the microphone is on the camera, so that this case can pick up audio a little bit better. I'm still not using a microphone, so I just want to have that option. I'm going to try this little roto-zip bit. I don't know how well it's going to work. I have some grinding bits that might work better, but this was in there, so we're going to try this first. Alright, now that we got this cleaned out, let's drop our camera in. Let's see. Okay. There it is. Looks like it should be good. Bam. There we go. So now I can plug this in and be able to do long time lapse and stuff without having to change the battery a million times. I have a bunch of batteries, but none of them really hold a charge anymore, so. Alright, our glue is mostly dry. Just a tiny bit of squeeze out, but. Ooh, that's tight. Well, actually, that's pretty good. So it clamps it in there, and this will sit on the top of the tripod. Oh, that's good. So now I need to drill a hole
sanded it down so all the edges are really nice and smooth. I'm going to take it outside and hit it with some paint, and then I'll show you the final product. Alright, so here we are all painted up. My light's kind of crap, but put my little tripod thingy on there. Snaps on. Take my Osmo and slide it in there. And now I have a quick access tripod mount for my Osmo. Well, it's a snug fit, but then I don't have to worry about falling out or anything. So between the GoPro now having constant power and having a better mount situation for the Osmo, I'm pretty excited to work on some of these other projects, and hopefully you'll join me for those too. Thanks. See you next time.